Welcome to the WHONET introduction tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to find our website, download our software, and install it to your desktop. To find our website, open up Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, and navigate to https://whonet.org. You'll see our website that looks like this. WHONET is a free Windows application for the management and analysis of microbiology laboratory data with a particular focus on antimicrobial resistance surveillance, developed and supported by the WHO Collaborating Center for Surveillance of Antimicrobial Resistance at the Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston, Massachusetts. WHONET, available in 44 languages, supports local, national, regional, and global surveillance efforts in over 2,300 hospital, public health, animal health, and food laboratories in over 130 countries worldwide. WHONET also includes a data import module called Backlink for the capture and standardization of data from existing desktop applications, laboratory instruments, and laboratory information systems. We're happy to announce the release of WHONET 2022. The new software includes the 2022 CLSI and UCAST human and animal breakpoints, as well as epidemiological cutoff values. For a summary of the new features, you can click here. Either version should work well for most users. For best compatibility with Microsoft Excel, Word, and Access, we recommend using the version of WHONET 32 or 64-bit, which matches your version of Microsoft Office. You can find out which version of Office you have by clicking here on this link. So for me, I'm going to click on the 64-bit. Okay, by default, it's going to my downloads folder, and here's the name of the file that we're saving. Once you click on save, I'm going to click on that file in the bottom left corner, and that's going to tell the operating system to open right away. And you can see now the WHONET 2022 setup, the WHONET licensing agreement. I'm going to click I agree and install. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? WHONET 2022 verified publisher is from the Brigham and Women's Hospital, and so I'm going to say yes. You'll see now the WHONET 2022 setup process. It's initializing, and once it gets going, you'll see a green progress bar. It goes from left to right. Okay, it's preparing to install. Welcome to the WHONET 2022 Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard will install WHONET 2022 on your computer. Click Next to continue or cancel to exit the Setup Wizard. Here we'll click Next. Okay, I'm going to accept the licensing agreement. Here is the software that you're going to install. The default package is fine, and the location, the default location is going to be your C WHONET directory. You could always change the location by hitting the browse. For most users, the default location is going to be just fine. So I'll click Next and install. Okay, I completed the WHONET 2022 Setup Wizard. Click Finish, and then we click Close after installation successfully completes. Okay, from here, you'll be able to find the WHONET software right on your desktop. If for some reason it does not show up on your desktop, you can always go to your File Explorer. You can go to C Windows and come down to WHONET, and you'll find that the backlink and the WHONET files are right here. So for here, I'll click on WHONET to open the software. And I like to just open the software and make sure that there's no error messages just to confirm that everything was successful. So I click open, and here we go. If you need help and need documentation, we provide you under the Help tab access to the documentation in our folder located at C WHONET Documents. All of these documents are here to help you get started. Thank you for watching this tutorial.